Well, I woke up this morning, hopped in the car, and my rear door lock started doing this. Bouncing. What a drama. Anyway, I'll show you a quick fix. This is what you need. Pair of scissors and a bit of electrical tape. I'll show you what to do. It's the quickest, easiest way to fix this problem. It's pretty common in these cars. I've had it before, so I know how to fix it easy. Enjoy. Start by removing your button. Take the button off, and I'll show you what to do. Now you just cut a little piece of electrical tape, probably about 1 inch long, and put that on there. Roll it around. It only has to go around about once, 1.5 times. And you take it and screw it back on. See how we go. And there you have it, guys. That's fixed. 1 inch of tape takes about 5 minutes max. Good luck. Cheers, people. Bye.